This is how you actually get that power boost from using sigils. Stick with me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy Jane, a being of earth, here to help you learn, grow, raise your vibrations in me. Today we are talking about why we should and how to actively put our intentions into our sigils to help us get that extra power boost from using them. Let's get into it. In knowing what a sigil is, which is a symbol made from your intention, we already know what the intention is that we are putting into our sigil. If you want to learn how to make sigils, be sure to check out this video right here. But so if our sigil is made from our intention, why are we trying to put an intention into it? It's already in it, right? Yes, it is, but we want to communicate with that symbol more and focus its energy more so that what we want is very clear, very focused, and there is more potential, more likelihood that it is going to be getting you exactly what you need. There are many ways to communicate and transfer this energy to your sigil. But before you pick a method of that, what you first want to do is really go into yourself and feel that feeling of what it is that you are having for your sigil, what your intention is. For example, I have a tattoo that is a sigil here on my arm. It stands for harmony. So before I were to get this tattoo, I would have it on a piece of paper, maybe hold it in my hands and just sit with it and feel that harmony. Feel harmonious in my body. Close my eyes and feel harmonious in my body, because this symbol is not going to remind me of what harmony feels like or to be more harmonious or to calm down unless I tell it that that is its job, that's what I want it to do, and this is what it feels like. So in feeling that inside of us, that is what we are projecting out. Because if we remember the law of correspondence, what we send out is gonna correspond and come back to us, much like the law of attraction, right? Works the same way. So that is how we are going to be putting that intention into our sigil, is by feeling that and communicating that with our sigil and telling it what its job is. Obviously, you do not have to get a tattoo of it. That was one way that I chose to use to keep it as near to me as I can and as best of a reminder as I can. So sitting with it in the palms of your hand and feeling that energy and visualizing it going into that symbol is one way. Sitting with it again and meditating again, visualizing that energy going into that sigil. You can use art, whether it be a painting or another craft. You guys can check out this video right here to figure out how to make these tea light DIY candle holders. But I do have that same harmony symbol on here along with the white color to promote harmony around this area. If you were with me for the how to make sigils video, you know that our intentions for that was I am financially free. So if I were to decide to make a painting with the sigil that I came up with from that on there, as I am painting that, I would be feeling that feeling of financial freedom inside of me. So that would probably be something along the lines of relief, right? Relief of everything is taken care of, you know, everybody has food, everybody has clothes, all the bills are paid, there's a roof over everybody's head. And I say everybody because I'm talking about my parents who are separated, my significant other's family. Like, I want everybody's, you know, families to be taken care of, that we are able to help. But I would be feeling that feeling of relief that everybody's taken care of. I'm not really worried about anything. I can worry about more important things of like, how am I making the world a better place, or keeping my house clean? What am I doing to better my family for their future? Things like that. And so then with that painting, obviously you're going to want to hang that up in your home so that anytime that you're walking around your home and you see that, your subconscious is going to accept that symbol into it, and it's going to know I am financially free. Your body is going to feel that feeling of relief, and it's going to send that that vibration out of I am financially free, and in turn will bring that into me. I'm not supposed to be worrying about the how, when, or why, or where, what, who, what, when, where, why. I just know that it's coming because that's what I'm putting out. I already am. So it's gonna be here. I already know. I know that it's gonna be here. And that is the part of the feeling that deep within of what your sigil's intention is, because without that feeling, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Other art projects that would be really cool is like a clay plate to use on like your altar, and then you can do spell work over top of those and add an extra oomph to your spell work. You could also use it with a tea light candle holder. You can use that for spell work as well. That would be fun also. Of course, the full moon is always a great idea to charge any kind of anything with anything, because the full moon is so great and powerful and has so much energy that utilize the moon in all ways that you can. And charging a sigil with it to help it in its fullest potential that it can is definitely a great idea as well. So charging / putting your intention into your sigil is very important to give it that extra power boost and focus its energy and tell it what its job actually is. If you guys had fun today, learned something new, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It is the easiest way to support me as well. If you're feeling like hitting that subscribe button, you go on ahead and do that. Down there will be a bell that shows up after you press that. You can go on ahead and press that too, and then you will be notified every single time I upload a new video. Sometimes that just comes out. Accents will just like shoot out at me, like sometimes like it started to go that direction, so I just kept it on going. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking around for today's video. I hope you guys had fun and learned something new. If you want to learn more about what we talk about on this channel, be sure to check out our channel trailer. If you want to keep hanging out with me today, I do have some videos over here for you. Until next time, I hope love, light, and good vibrations find their way to you. Bye. I have a sigil here on my tattoo. I have a sigil on my tattoo. Okay, so important. So you can actually it's fine. First line, fucked it up.